my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video I will show you, friends, the latest and urgent news of the Cardano Ada. Absolutely, if you do this mistake, so you are in the loss, and if you don't do this mistake, so absolutely you are in the profit, friends. So I really recommend for all of you to please keep watching this video till the end, friends, because in this video I will talk about the serious issue of the Cardano horror, friends. Anyways, before starting this interesting video, I request all of you that if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe now ABS Tech channel and like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. Anyways, friends, if we look the currently price of the Cardano in the market, so at this time price of the Cardano is 1.62 USD dollar, friends. Now the price is again start moving upward, and I hope that the Cardano will still continue this kind of jump through jump throughout this whole month, friends. I really recommend for everyone Cardano, but unfortunately in the previous time the pricing goes better. As you can see here that the last one day pricing is negative, friends. So Cardano is fast down for a little time, but remember that after a little fall the Cardano will again take a jump, friends. Same as you can see here now, and the changes occurred the last one day pricing as negative 7.83%, and the last 1 hour pricing is again positive, friends. So that's mean that after a fast the Cardano starts jumping, friends. So first of all you have to understand these phenomena, these process of the cryptocurrencies market, friends. As you can see here now, let's see, my friends, the price chart of the Cardano. Oh my god, I think in this time the current situation of the Cardano goes better, but unfortunately if you look the last 1 hour, so now the again direction to fast down, friends, as you can see here. So I hope that this will be a low price of the low falls of the Cardano, and they will again start moving upward, friends. But as you can see here in the previous time, as I told you, in the previous time the price is occurring the Cardano as very badly fast down, friends. It's same like that. As you can see here, as I told you that after a fast there is a jump, it's this time fast down, after fast they again take a jump, now again fast down, and now it's time to again take a jump, friends. So I think that's temporary fast. That is why I suggest for all of you that now this is a fast, and now it's time to take a jump, friends. So now the big pump of the Cardano are coming soon in the future, friends. Now let's see the price changes occur in the Cardano for a short time. Negative 7.83% price changes occur in the Cardano in the last 24 hour, and 1.89 USD dollar they touched in the last 24 hour. And now the current price you can see here, 1.79% is the current price of the Cardano, friends. So I really recommend for all of you to please invest in a Cardano, because now it's just a beginning. As I show you that the last 1 hour pricing as positive, so I hope that this kind of change continue throughout this whole month, friends. And if you are a holder, so a lot of people doing a very big mistake at this time. They decide to sell Cardano at this time, friends. Just imagine, for instance, if you decide to sell Cardano at this time, so you are in the loss, because the previous changes occur in the Cardano as negative, so you are in the loss. And if you hold Cardano, so maybe there is a lot of chances to they take a jump in the future, and they will give you good amount of profit in the future, friends. So don't do this mistake and be safe from both, friends. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Cardano? Please share in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.